I've often talked about the civic being of the land of the young, beautiful and gifted. And tonight we're going to acknowledge and celebrate some of those young people. A group of people that I refer to as the new generation. The new generation that are accomplishing great things already. The new generation that are reaping the benefits of the sacrifice of their parents, the hard work of their parents and whānau. A new generation that are poised to do great things, not just for our community, but for Aotearoa New Zealand. To the families, to our sponsors, to our community leaders, thank you for supporting. These things would not happen if you don't back them. The Prime Minister and ourselves, I think we want to make sure that we're creating an environment that continues to grow this crop of future leaders of this country of ours.